Chinayal greetings to all. Today, let us see renewable and non-renewable resources. See, natural resources are the wealth of this earth. They are very abundant in this, very much abundant in this earth. And these are all the raw materials available in nature. They are useful to all the creatures, human beings, plants, animals, etc. And some of the examples for natural resources are water, air, land, plants, animals, coal, petroleum products, minerals, forest wood, and so on. So, let us see the two types of resources. There are two types of resources, and they are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. What are all the renewable resources? See, from the name we can understand renewable. It is again and again, it can renew itself. புதுப்பிச்சுக்கூடும் என்ன அழிஞ்சாலும் தன்னைத்தானே புதுப்பிக்கும். Okay, so the renewable resources can be replaced after their use, and these are available continuously, though we use and exhaust it for a long time. These renewable resources are replaced after their use, and the example for renewable resources are solar energy, geothermal energy, wind energy, water, aqua food, forest, grassland, animals, plants, biomass, etc. Let us see one by one with the examples. What is solar energy? Of course, you all know the energy obtained from sunlight. That's called solar energy. Then geothermal energy from Earth's heat. It is also known as the geothermal power. Heat that is stored inside the earth is transformed into electrical energy, especially by geothermal power plants. That's called geothermal energy. Wind energy is, of course, the energy obtained from the wind. You have seen many windmills. With the use of windmills, we can take energy from wind, which is used for power supplies also. See, wind energy is the renewable resource. It is available day and night. It is used to generate electric current. And in Tamil Nadu, we could see Muppandal. Muppandal has the highest concentration in mills to produce electricity. Muppandal, it is a small village in Kanyakumari district. There is biomass energy is obtained from burning organic or living matters. For example, wood, leaves. Wood means here it refers to forest. Okay, that wood, leaves, food waste, and manure, uram. Okay, these are all biomass. Then hydroelectric energy. Of course, you know, energy from the flow of water. Look at this Hoover Dam. Electricity is produced from the flow of water. They used to take from the water current also, we can say. Running water, current edukalam. So that's what hydroelectric energy. Now, let us see what are all the non-renewable resources. A non-renewable resource is a natural resource that cannot be replaced after their use. ஒரு தடவை யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டா திருப்பி அது கிடைக்காது. So what are all those? But this is also obtained in nature. So what are all the non-renewable resources? Examples: coal, oil, petroleum products, natural gas, nuclear energy, etc. Let us see one by one. See how non-renewable energy resources such as oil, natural gas, coal, and uranium, it is obtained from this earth. Look at this picture. See first, oil drilling platform from water, that is oil, natural gas. Then see here, gas well is also there, oil well. Then here, pipeline water pump, oil and natural gases are extracted from these industries. Okay, drilling platform this is. Then underground coal mine, coal steam, mined coal, சுரங்கத்துல இருந்து எடுக்கிறது. Then this mining areas, okay, how they mine, see like this. Then water is heated and brought up as dry stream or wet stream. Wet steam, sorry, hot rock, magma, okay. So these are all, from these things we could get geothermal energy, geo power plant, okay. Then look at the next slide. Let us see nuclear energy. See nuclear fission, fusion. So fusion na one sekradhu, fission na that which can be splitted apart. See, when there is nuclear fission use, we could get uranium to create this nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is a non-renewable resource. See, uranium is obtained and it cannot be used again. Nowadays, there are many power stations to obtain this uranium. Then, let us see the next non-renewable resource, coal. See how coals are formed. Millions and millions of years ago, all those plants, animals, even dead body of all the living creatures will be in this soil, and it will be dumped year by year. அப்படியே நாட்கள் ஆக ஆக millions of years அப்படியே கீழே புதைஞ்சிக்கிட்டே போய் அந்த dead plants, dead animals, dead creatures, millions of years அப்படியே உள்ள அது ஒரு வாட்டரா டர்ட்டா மாறி மறுபடியும் ராக்ஸ் அண்ட் டர்ட்டா கோலா கடைசி அந்த ஹீட் அண்ட் ப்ரெஷர் டர்ன் dead plants and animals into coal. ஹீட்டாக எல்லா dead organisms coal மாறும். Okay, so this is what formation of coal. So formed by organic decomposition of plant materials millions of years ago. There are 4 types of coals. They are anthracite, bituminous, subbituminous coal, and lignite. See, anthracite coals are very hard coals. Okay, it has the lowest moisture content. See, in coal also we could see water content. Water content coal kulayum irukum. So in this anthracite we could see lowest moisture content and the highest carbon content is also present, and it has highest heat value also. Then bituminous coal is the most abundant one, which is available in many places in this earth. Then subbituminous coal also are available, and the lignite is of course the brown colored coal. Brown coal also we can call, and it has 50% of water content. It has low carbon content and a low heat value. So these are all the 4 types of coals. Then natural gas. Natural gas is a mixture of methane and other gases. Natural gases are used to produce electricity, heat homes. That means in foreign countries they used to warm their house. Here we have air conditioner to cool, okay, to keep our places very cool. But in foreign countries, either they have hearth, just I shall type here. Hearth is nothing but Just a minute. Just I shall type here. See, Hearth. Hearth means fireplace. They used to burn the woods, logs of wood to keep themselves warm. That is also natural. And heat homes, that is used for warmth and producing things like air cooler. இங்க எப்படி ஏர் கண்டிஷனர் இருக்கும் அதே மாதிரி அங்க அவங்க இந்த ஹீட் ஹோம்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ நேச்சுரல் கேஸ் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் ஃபார் திஸ் பர்பஸ். Then it is also used for vehicles, cooking, etc. It is also highly inflammable. Then look at the next slide. All these coal, petroleum and gases, they are all considered to be non-renewable resources because they cannot be replenished in a short period of time. ரொம்ப நாள் ஆகும் அது உருவாகிறதுக்கும். Okay, so once it is used, it will be thrown. It is thrown in the dustbin. Okay, we cannot reuse it. Formation of oil and gas. See, look at this picture. How the sea plants and animals died, were buried on the ocean floor. Just a minute. Millions of years ago, they were covered by layers of silt and sand. See how these sea creatures, all those fish, jellyfish, and other octopus like that we could see. So 50 to 100 million years ago in the ocean, all those plants and animals were buried deeper and deeper. அப்படியே ஆழ்ந்து புதைந்து உள்ள அங்கேயும் enormous heat, pressure இதெல்லாம் உருவாகி என்ன ஆகும்னா இந்த animals dead bodies எல்லாம் sea creatures dead bodies எல்லாம் it will be turned into oil and gaseous products. Then look at the next picture also. Today also we drill down the layers of sand, silt and rock to reach the rock formations that contain oil and gas deposits. Okay, so it took millions of years for formation of oil and gas like coal. Look at this. Oil is a hydrocarbon. Oil is also called petroleum. Oil is also known as fossil fuel. அப்படி படிமமா இது லிக்விடா இருக்கும். Okay, fossilனா படிமமா இருக்கிறது. It may be in the rocks or sand, I told you already. And here the liquid will be remaining for a long period of time. The crude oil is petroleum. Petrolலாம் அப்படியே வராது. As you have studied, deposits of crude oil often are trapped within the earth's crust and can be extracted by drilling a well. Then even plastics are the last waste materials obtained from this petroleum product. That's why we should not use plastics, we often say. Plastic is of course a good invention made by human beings, but at the same time we should not use it for the container and all, use it for eating purpose. But nowadays we use it often. This should be changed. Then look at this. Oil used in industry to power machinery and also for transportation. See, the crude oil such as petrol, diesel, please note, kerosene, propane, gasoline, jet fuel, heating oil, motor oil, paraffin, wax, petroleum jelly. Okay, these are all crude oil which are refined to produce from the petroleum products. Then the chemicals present in oil are isolated, chemicals present in oil are isolated, அப்படி தனியா separate பண்ணிடுறாங்க. And they are used for the production of plastics and even medicines also. Medicine also they manufacture from this. And the oils that are rich in the world regions or those countries I shall tell you: USA, America, United States of America, Mexico, then Russia, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and then in India, these oils are available in Gujarat and Assam, then Thar Desert in Rajasthan, then Andaman and Nicobar Islands also, and in Maharashtra, Bombay also, Mumbai now it is called, Mumbai also, these oil resources are available. Then regarding nuclear energy, see, nuclear energy is also a non-renewable resource, I told you, and it is obtained from fission of atoms or radioactive elements. And there are many atomic power stations, I told you. And in India, the atomic power stations are located in Tarapur. Tarapur is in Mumbai. Then Kota is a place in Rajasthan. Okay, then in Tamil Nadu, as you all know, Kudankulam power station, of course, you all know. Okay, thank you.